So welcome back. In this video we will see how to get this code 39 for our barcodes in Excel. So you have to go to Google. You should write dafont.com/code39.com. For example, I will copy this, paste this one. So you can see that this font will be appear code 39 name. You just have to click download. I have already downloaded it. For example, this one I will extract here, or I will click this one. You have to copy this code, then you have to go to your local disk C, select Windows, then go to fonts. There are a lot of fonts, and just copy it here font. So I have already pasted it. I will replace it. So when you will replace this, just refresh your Excel and search here code 39, and you can see how I have added code 39 in my Excel. So that's the video how to generate code 39 in an Excel.